morning, all. I feel proud and privileged to interact with you. I, Dr. Pranav Charkha, Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering at Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology, running jointly under the aegis of two highly reputed and front runners of educational societies, named as Nutan Maharashtra Vidya Prasarak Mandal and Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust. We at NMIT work on most important three pillars for building professional engineering graduates, that is disciplined academics, placement readiness, holistic development, which involves global competency and local relevancy. We, especially at Department of Mechanical Engineering, are having pool of enthusiastic, dedicated and young faculty members who are there to solve each and every kind of problem of students, just like their elder brothers. Along with basic three pillars of NMIT, we cater our students for their wholesome development, such as building problem solving skills, research aptitude, social inclusiveness and many more. NMIT is strategically located in the vicinity surrounded by Asia's biggest industrial clusters, automotive sector in Talegaon and Chakan, manufacturing sector at Pimpri Chinchwad and Talegaon, and other MIDCs at Bhosri, Urse, etc. NMIT is particularly mechanical engineering, having operational 28 MOUs with the leading industrial houses. As a matter of regular and routine practice, our students undergo internships, live industry projects, 6-semester long industry-driven value-added course in association with CII and Anand Industries, and student also works on hands-on training on emerging techniques such as 3D printing in the lab established in department with Geoclid Private Limited. Department are also having MOUs with German and Japanese association. In a nutshell, department has created handsome amount of intellectual property rights, which are in 2021 academic year, our students have filed 5 patents, 2 copyrights, published 5 Scopus index papers, and 5 students have written books, which is really commendable task at an undergraduate level. Faculties are also enthusiastically participating and motivating our students by filing 12 copyrights, 6 book chapters, 10 Scopus papers, and 3 SCI papers. Most important aspect of student is placement. At Department of Mechanical Engineering, we have a consistently increasing placement opportunities. In 2017-18, we have 16 offers. In 2018-19, we have 30 offers. Whereas in 2019-20, we have 96 placement offers for final year students, and for 2021, the count is still going on. Our department students are actively involved in organizing various activities under professional society chapters of Society of Automotive Engineers, Fluid Power Society of India, and Mechanical Engineering Students Associations. They have installed clubs such as Hobby Club, Social Innovation, Entrepreneurship Development Cell, etc. In an year-long pandemic period, department has organized various sessions, activities and events as demanded by our beloved students. I can say that Department of Mechanical Engineering is working for the students and taking every care of the students and targeting to meet expectations set by the students. Students are having a vital role in starting the first ever departmental technical magazine, MechArder. Students are actively involved in COTTOR competition, which is an off-road vehicle competition. Also, department is looking to the rapidly changing need of today's industrial revolutions. We have planned to offer training to our students on a multidisciplinary concepts like Industry 4.0, Internet of Things, Artificial Intelligence, Robotics and Machine Learning. All I can say, think academics, want good placements, ensure holistic development and growth, opt Department of Mechanical Engineering at NMIT. We will ensure your ward's success. Thank you.